Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got into the Churchill Pub. This is obviously like some sort of like cupboard or something. But we started off in like the kitchen, like cooker, inside the fridge or freezer. Got Sean from Ghost Spirit with us today.
Watch yourself and these, look for the beams, man, underneath.
Yep, got to be careful of the beams.
You can see them under this. One at a time. Very good, you can just look for beams.
Ooh.
Watch that all one, man, don't fall down that fucker.
I'm with him.
Grab this one for a time, I know. And there's the pool room, snooker room.
Snooker room, guys.
I'm thinking of that word from there, mate.
As you can see, it's all roached in here, guys. No, I think that's just the paint on the ceiling. It is like roached in here, guys. You're not going to be able to see much. As you can see, Sean's writing on the roof. What have you wrote there, Sean?
Not finished yet.
Oh, he's doing his channel.
That was meant to be an S, but never mind.
Yeah, it was supposed to be a G. There you go, guys. Ghost Spirit 14.
19.
19? That looks like a 14 to me.
Fucking 9.
Looks like a 4.
Oh, here's the ball up there, the basketball.
And also, guys, I've got my other camera with me, but that's just to take pictures, which I'll be uploading with as well. As you can see, this is like a little bar area in here. Don't know how much you're going to see, but it was like the little bar. Fireplace. I'm just going to get Sean to do a bit of filming on my phone while I take a couple of pictures. Yeah, this building is ruined, guys.
Not where the camera is, but it keeps going in where. I've just seen a bloody orb.
Yeah, I've just caught a few on this camera.
A few of them.
Hang on, I can't see a fucking thing over here. Took the fucking light away from me, I can't see.
Ghost Spirit.
Ghost Spirit
19. It's not a 14, it's a 9. Might look like a 4 though. And the flash in the background, guys, is actually my main man right there.
I'm taking pictures for my channel.
Taking pictures for his channel with his new camera. I will hand you back to him shortly. I'm just going to have a quick mooch around here and try and get some good shots of this old table there for him.
Wow, I just caught millions of orbs on that then. Just do one more. And we're golden up here. On to the next bit. Right.
Right guys, I'm going to hand Charlie his camera back.
Thank you, Sean.
You're welcome.
Right, now we're going to go further on.
Into the next room to your right.
Into the next room, which is over here. Being careful, obviously.
Yeah, just keep going to the right first. I'll follow up downstairs. I'll do downstairs in a bit.
Yeah, we're going downstairs in a bit, guys, but going into a bit that's a bit lighter, so you might be able to see. Mirror there. Fucking hell. No one cleaned that shit off it.
This must have been either like a third bedroom or a living room or something.
I've no idea, but
Roached up there, look.
Obviously we've got a window here so you can see. Attaché briefcases. Obviously the window out there. Empty briefcases. Not that nice. Oh yeah, this must have been like the office or something.
Yeah, because you've got all them filing cabinets though.
Yeah, bottom metro thing. Obviously it's been ruined by vandals. Another briefcase.
Oh yeah, I was going to open that one. I've got gloves on now.
Yeah, you got gloves on. Anything in it? Anything in it?
Probably not. Nah.
No, nothing in there, guys.
No fat wallets.
Couple of Winnie the Pooh things on the wall.
There's a photo of you.
Oh, yeah, photo up there, guys. Somebody must have worked here. Old files, that not in the filing cabinet.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Maybe another one.
yeah, there's empty file holders. Now you're going to switch my camera, other camera on.
Churchill Street, Bolton, 13th of the 8th, 95. So that, is that a love one?
I think so.
I don't like it, have a look.
Apologies for the shakiness, guys. I'm just trying to activate my other camera. The flash is going to be from my camera.
Finishing Sunday, 27th of August. I know that I have done a good job for your club and yourself. Unfortunately, I have found the job more and more tiring and feel less and less motivated to do. Constant battle against the debts. I also feel it is time to spend more time with my family and I have much more time for myself. Finally, could you please take the chance to thank all, say that again, finally, could I please take the chance to thank you all for the help and support.
Let's come back into the room, guys, now. I'm going to get some good shots.
Wasn't your job back from Queen? Oh, that's Roger Taylor. Oh shit, did I just get any shot then?
It's alright. Adds to it.
That is Chinese writing, man. I asked the Chinese person once what these borders meant, and they went, I don't know. You see this one here?
Yeah.
It was similar to that, and I drew it, and I took it in, and I asked them, and they went, I don't know. Fucking Japanese. Look at all this, man. Sell all this.
Solid
Clean
tables. And some weird face on the wall.
Yeah, there's a couple of tags on that.
Alright, guys, we're going to head downstairs now, so see you down there. If I can. Alright, guys, now downstairs. Sorry if I wasn't in focus then, but.
Fan, man.
Oh, Sean's like a fan.
Ah,
Well, I'm catching orbs like fuck on this camera.
not rusted over.
Ah, pretty smooth moving. Clothes sticking up, due to
Can't get in that door.
natural, obviously. I'm going to take
There's an old tweeter.
a couple of pictures. Yeah, horn tweeter.
Fire. Take you around this way, right?
Old speaker here, but
Get dead dark.
3D surround sound, nice shot. What, the speaker will be dead?
Yeah, been in fucking days.
Doubt it.
We've got
Not my fucking sound system.
toilet through here.
More speakers on the walls because it must have been used as like party systems or something. Apologies for the flashing, guys, it's the camera
Lounge,
using the
white
flash.
bar.
You what?
Black lounge, white bar. Then you've got your toilets in here. Speaking of that, I need a piss, so if you can just bear with me a second.
Yeah, I can bear with you.
I'll take a piss.
As it looks down there, guys, it's properly roached. The floor is fucking roached. Fuck. Sean's just in there taking a pee. I'm only joking, guys, he's not. Must have been. Yeah, there's some more toilets here, guys. Not much to see, but. Get to know the history of this place. Wow. Yeah, I'm good. I'm just a bit further up, that's why. Back here.
Yeah, that's how it's back that way we're coming.
Yeah, more toilets there.
Yeah, there's the bar area. Yeah, if you want to go and film that, I'll show you the room.
This bit here. Yeah, there's more toilets this way, guys. Yeah, the women's toilet. Wow, that ceiling is roached. Oh, it's all ruined in here, guys. So carpets, it's going to be quieter. Apart from the driveway. Wow, this is roached. Second bar area. We'll take a picture of the hallway. No bulbs in, but
How many people's have stolen this? Like an old belt thing though.
no, I'll have to delete that picture you're on, we're in it. I'll have to delete that previous picture you're on, we're in it. Now look at that, guys, proper old school TV.
Yeah, that's alright for coat machine.
Darts scoreboard.
And sneaker stand though.
Another fireplace.
Fucking handles on these.
They'd be good to take them, but don't think we should. More speakers on the walls.
My fucking door went on then. That's where it's going.
Sharp speakers. I hope I don't cut myself on them. Yeah. Good pun there if you know your speaker brands, guys. Full of cobwebs. Not very nice. There, there's that area. I'm just going to take a quick picture of it. Beautiful. Both sides of the bar here, guys. Little latch so you can see through.
These are the plastic things on your way.
Oh, those ones, yeah. Like grips or something.
Fucking screws and everything. Yeah, you put one of them, don't you? See, I was thinking of making
Yeah.
something for like a tunnel and put bricks over it and stuff.
These must have been the prices of the beers back in the day. £2.10, £1.10, £1.60, £2.40, £1.20, £1.90, £1. If you worked here back in the day, just let us know what them prices were for. Obviously all the spirit racks here. Massive hole in the floor. In the ceiling, sorry, not.
Tiles there, that colour.
What must have been like a security system. Another, that same face again.
Yeah, that's what I said, it's been in here. That's just going back to them there.
It's like under the stairs, like kitchen sort of thing here. Not much to see. Except a roach flooring. I've already been in there, guys.
You've done it once you've done this route.
Yeah.
Don't do what I keep doing.
Yeah.
Fix myself on that.
Stained glass windows above the bar.
There is actually a picture of a guy standing here, and I think it's a picture.
Yeah, we've seen that picture. Oh, that's what it was. Stoles of Chester, Australian white wine.
Oh, there's a drip tray.
Ah, Beck's drip tray. Old ceiling fan, guys, with smashed dome lights.
This is where I come when I thought I lost my glasses.
Old seating area. I reckon most of these light bulbs would still work, you know.
Possibly. Churchill, is it? Look at it.
Ah! I'm going to take a picture of that. Function room available, that's what upstairs must have been.
It's got the old curtain thing there.
Yeah, the old curtain rail. There's one way of getting in, but that's all boarded off, so we can't get out.
The shades are definitely not down here. This is where I thought I was dropped them.
They could be upstairs.
Here, look.
Brand new bin bags now we can use.
And this is where masks go.
Speakers.
This is where masks go.
Ah.
Go in that.
Yeah, there must be a lot of speakers used in this place. I've counted of at least 8 speakers in here. But hope you like the video, guys. I'm gonna leave it there for now. Hope you like the video, guys. Please like, comment, please comment, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any content. Also, go and subscribe to Ghost Spirit, like his videos, give him a comment, so that you know what you think of his videos. We're planning on doing some more locations, like going looking at the beehive one last time, but for the last time this time. I've just been distracted by some gaffer tape. So yeah. And that's it for the end. That's it for now, guys. So I hope you enjoyed watching. And alright guys, we're now on the outside of the old Churchill pub. I know that I said inside it was the end of the video, but what I actually meant is I'm going to film from the outside to show you the old girl. And there's Sean. We made it out in one piece. Thanks for, I want to give a special thanks to Sean for helping me get in and out. 13122 Manchester Road, that's the location of this pub. The floors in there are proper rotten. So if you do go in here, I advise a lot of caution. And that's it for the video, guys. See you in the next one.